There was a man. His name was Henry. He was traveling by train. He got off the train at the West Town station. Then he went to Wild West Town. Everyone seemed happy, so he went to the saloon to celebrate it. But he saw that a nervous man was running towards him. He told Henry that there was a bank robbery. They went to a shooting range. The man showed a blonde woman. He said, "This is Bonnie. She never misses a shot." He explained everything to her. They prepared their horses and set off. They saw the robbers. Henry and Bonnie found the robbers while they were preparing explosives. They caught the robbers and handed them over to the police. Everyone in the town was so happy. Now I will ask many questions about the story. Let's get started. What was there? A man. There was a man. What was his name? Henry. His name was Henry. What was he traveling by? He was traveling by train. Where did he get off the train? He got off the train at the West Town station. Did everyone seem sad? No, no one seemed sad. Everyone seemed happy. Okay, that is the end of our lesson.
And that's all for now.